Okay, welcome back to example 2 of your exam review. Okay, um, we're looking at a question here that says stage in the shape of a semicircle is shown below, so right here. Okay, um, the area of the stage is 200 meters squared, so this is A equals to 200 meters squared. Determine the measure of the diameter. Show your work. So we have to find out the diameter here. And there's a big hint here. It says the area of a semicircle is pi r squared, all divided by 2. Okay. So if we know all this stuff here, then that means we know that 200, the area of the semicircle, is equal to pi times whatever the radius is squared, all divided by 2. Okay? So that means that the whole radius, the whole area of a whole circle would be, well, we would multiply by 2 to get the radius of the whole circle, and we would multiply by 2 here, and then this and this would cancel, and leave you with, well, 400 would equal to pi times the radius squared. Okay? And now pi is just a number, it's 3.14. Okay, so 400 would equal to 3.14, okay, that's approximately, times whatever the radius is squared. Okay. And that would mean to find the radius, we would have to divide by 3.14. And we'd have to divide by 3.14 here. Okay, so if we do that, 400 divided by 3.14, I'm just doing that on my calculator, I get 127.39 approximately equals to the radius squared. Okay, but we don't want the radius, we don't want the radius squared, we want the radius. So to find the radius, we would take the square root of 127.39 would equal to what the radius is, square root. So if we square root that, we would get 11.3 approximately. 11.3 as our radius. Okay, 11.3 is our radius, but if we go back to the question, it says the diameter, and since we know diameter equals to 2 times the radius, we would know that the diameter would be equal to 2 times 11.3, which would be 22.6, and that is meters. Okay. All right. So that's example 2 in our exam review.